Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw kitchen utensils today. First, let's draw the shape of casserole. Next, the handle. Let's put eyes and lips. Let's draw a cover for casserole. Let's color the casserole together. Do you enjoy helping when your mom cooks? That is incredible! Next are the spatula and spoon. Did you know that our utensils are more than just tools? They're your kitchen buddies, ready to make cooking a casserole-tastic, spoon-tastic, and spatula-tastic experience full of fun and flavor. Let's draw eyes and lips, too. It's time to add color to the spatula and spoon. I'm excellent at using a spatula to flip pancakes. Did you also give it a try? Our third utensil is blender. Let's draw its shape, with its jar, lids, and base. Let's draw eyes and lips, too. We're going to color the blender together. Are fruit shakes something you enjoy drinking? Likewise. And I make one with a blender. The last utensil is the kitchen weighing scale. Let's draw the shape of the tray and dial face. Let's not forget the eyes and lips. Join me. Time to color the kitchen weighing scale. Our kitchen is not just a place to cook. It's a space for bonding, learning, and creating wonderful memories. Enjoy your time in the kitchen with your mom and dad. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Until next time.